Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to share with you some Chinese language puzzles or language riddles. These are riddles for elementary school kids. They're really fun. And the key to solving these riddles is to understand both the form of the character and the meaning of each character. Okay, let's look at the first one and you will get the gist. 一人在内，一人在内. Literally, it means one person inside, one person inside. So our first clue to solving this puzzle would be to look at the last character, which is 内, and which has a character of person inside, a character of 人 inside. I am so sorry for my atrocious handwriting. It's been years since I wrote a character by hand, so I am really sorry it's this ugly. So if we add another 人, if we add another person inside of 内, we're gonna get character 肉, which means meat. So this is the answer. Okay, let's see the next one. 一加一, 1 add 1 or 1 plus 1. And if we try substituting 加 for an actual plus sign and write all of this vertically, we're gonna get character Wang, which means king. So Wang is the answer to this riddle. The next one is gonna be a little bit longer and a little bit more difficult. 一只狗四个口，一只狗四个口 one dog, 4 mouths. 只 and ge are measure words here. So we need a character that somehow combines dog and mouth. We know that the modern character for a dog is 狗, but there is another character that also means dog or a hound, and that character is 犬. And if you add 4 mouths, you get 器, a device, a gadget. So the answer to this riddle is 器. 七人头长了草，七人头长了草。七人头 means 7 people's heads. 长了草 have grown grass. So we have 七, we have 7. Then if we try rearrange 人 into a radical, 人 into a radical of person, and on top of it, on the heads of these 7 people, we're gonna add component of 草, the component of grass. And we get the character 花, which means flower. 十个哥哥, 10 elder brothers. 哥 is the modern character for an elder brother, but there is another, an older character, which also means elder brother, and that character is 兄. It is used in the combination 兄弟姐妹. And then we put 10, we put 10 on top of it, and we get 克, gram. 太阳挂在树顶上，太阳挂在树顶上。The sun is hanging on a treetop. Like in previous riddles, we need to find a different character that would mean the same thing. So we try to find a character that also means 太阳, that also means sun, and that character is 日. And then if the sun is hanging on a treetop, then the tree should go below this sun character. And we get the character 果, which means fruit. And our last riddle is 一口吃掉牛尾巴，一口吃掉牛尾巴。A mouth ate the tail of a cow, or the cow's tail was eaten in one mouth. So we definitely know that there will be a mouth, there will be a口in the answer. And we know that there is probably a character 牛, but somehow without a tail, without the lower part. And so we get the character 告, which means to tell, to announce. So this was the last riddle. Comment below how many answers you guessed correctly. And I'll see you next time. 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。